Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. I'm here to do a very quick unboxing, and this is a Dior Beauty holiday item. I've already posted it on my Instagram stories if you haven't seen it, but if you would like to see it next time that I post it, you can follow me at Clutch to Carry, which is my Instagram handle, and you can be notified of it, these items when they come out. So the one that I have today came in this box. I love the Toile de Dree print, and this is the actual box that it came in. So let me show you really quickly. So this is a little different. Usually the bow is like tied around, but it's just, it looks like, yeah, it's just like one. I love this. Oh, it's also elastic right here, so it makes it easy to slip on and off. So if you're giving this as a gift, it's a lot easier to like put, you know, a little note in it if you like, although they do also do free notes when you ship it. So here we go. Let's get into this one. There are many, and I will share it in just a second, but there are many kits this year. A lot of them have a very beautiful circus theme, and that's their thing this year, but a lot of them also have additionally a little gold designs, which I'll show you here. So inside looks like this. I'll also be putting promo codes to the Dior Beauty purchases if you're interested. All right, so I love the circus theme, which I'll hold up in just a second. There's also a freebie pouch, which always comes with every pouch. And this one, what did I select? I have the Dior Prestige La Creme, which I love, and the On-Off Mousse for a cleanser, which I also love. So both of those will be going for travel with me. I usually save them when I go traveling. They're great so that you don't have to bring like a big bottle or squeeze it into a smaller bottle. But yeah, they're always giving out these little pouches. Okay, so inside is this. This is the main thing. And I also bought a separate little Dior lip maximizer, which I love. The Dior lip maximizer that I got is Frosted Opal. It's one of their newer shades, which looks beautiful. I don't think you can really see what it looks like, but it has basically no color, maybe a light pink, and then it just kind of, it's like a sheen. It doesn't have like big sparkles, which I don't really like, but the little sheen is a very nice touch on your lips. So I am excited to start giving this one a try. Now, like I said, there are many different kits, beauty kits, so like from makeup to skincare to fragrance. So this is what they look like. And again, it is a circus theme. So I love that. It has the rose gold, gold and silver. And then this is kind of what it looks like. So it's a great gift for somebody that you might want to gift to. This one was under $100, which I'm pretty sure it is. I'll link this below. Okay, so sometimes it's hard to find on their website because it's not maybe on their front page. So I will link this below as well. Some of the other ones I'm loving. Ta-da! Look how beautiful. This is the pouch. When I saw it, I was like, oh, I gotta get one. So I may go back for another one, but I wanted to test this one out first. So you can see that it does have the CD logo right there. And on the top, it has a little pull-up kind of tab for a handle. So I love that I could sit down. It is held here by two straps. So I could see somebody kind of attaching like a lobster clasp and then wearing it cross body. So I'll give that a try. Oh, and then there's also a star in the middle of this CD. And then there are two little star pulls right here, as you can see. It is beautiful. And the back has nothing, the bottom has nothing either. And so it's very simple, very elegant. Oh, I'll show you my phone if it fits in there as well. So inside you open it to this kind of like white interior. It's kind of like a wipeable interior. It's not as wipeable as some of the other ones that I have, but yeah, it's certainly more makeup-like versus like handbag-like. And that's what it is on the inside. So you can leave it on your vanity like this. Very easy to travel with and bring stuff, but you can also absolutely wear as like a little clutch for a little party. Can you just imagine how beautiful this is? Okay, so let's see what's inside. So I got the kit that's called think lip ritual or something. So that includes my favorite pieces, which is the Lip Addict, or the Lip Glow, sorry. The Lip Glow from the Dior Addict, and it's just the pink color. I'm not going to use this one right now because I still currently have one that I'm using, but these come in many different colors. Pink was, I think, their original standard one, and this one's also the Maximizer. So it's the one that the opal one that I just showed you earlier today, but it is in just the pink, the standard pink. So can't go wrong with these, and this is like universal. So basically, you can get it for anybody, any skin tone. It will work really well. So these are super nice. These are my two favorite, I think, lip products from them. Actually, products in general from their beauty line. That and the La Balm. So yeah, and then their skincare line. I also really love the On-Off Mousse as well as their Prestige line. So anyway, just throwing those things out there. Okay, and just to kind of show you what could fit in here. Obviously, the Too Lippy would fit in here, but my phone, I have the Pixel 10. It fits like right in there. So I don't know if you can see, but it fits the base. It's a little bit snug. So yeah, but it will fit, and you can also fit it tall ways as well. So yeah, the two lippies I just got, if I just put it in there, and probably like a La Balm. So let's close this up. I will say that there are some sparkles that are coming off from this bag. So this bag is not glittery. Here, let me hold it closer. This bag is like shimmery, but it's not glitter. It's just like, I don't even know, lame kind of fabric. And sometimes it does come off into your hand. So can you see that on my finger right there? But it's very subtle. I see some on my hands and on my bottoms. So it does come off a little bit, but it's not too bad. Okay, so I got some chains here. I can list the ones that I use below. This one may be, this clasp may be too small, but let me try. Yeah, I think this one's too small. This one has a bigger lobster clasp right here. So let me try this one and just show you what it looks like. So the fabric material here is on the thicker side, which means it's sturdy, but yeah, you also need a bigger lobster clasp. So let me get that here just to show you what you could do with it. Okay, here we go. So now, this is a short chain because I think it's easier to show you on camera, but you can absolutely use a longer one. So here, if you want it to, you can also hold this one like this. Look how cute. All right, so here we go. This is like a shoulder bag because this is the length I'm using. And if you wanted something a little bit longer, you can, like, imagine this chain was longer and crossbody, then you can wear it like this, right? Like across your body or on your shoulder, and it's long on your hip like this. So it's beautiful. And then, yeah, like I said, you open it like so, like a vanity, and your phone can fit in here, at least mine can. And then your lippies and whatever else, yeah, it could fit in here. So that is great. It is a good sized bag. And so if you like vanity bags, this is a great one to get this year. I think I like it maybe a little bit more than the Chanel ones, mainly because the Chanel ones this year has so it has Chanel across the bag, and it says Beauté like underneath it, so it just kind of looks a little bit more odd to wear out. But this one, you can absolutely wear it out, and it has a little top handle, and it's so easy to attach a strap. So I will include this one in the description box below. They also have different options, like I said, the skincare ones, the fragrance ones, and more like makeup ones. So I think there's also one with La Balm, which I love, so I may go back and get that one. There's a Miss Dior Beauty Ritual Holiday gift set, which has a perfume, a lippy, and a blush. They all come with like a really beautiful box, but you know, if you want the bag, make sure you select the ones that come with the bag, but it's beautiful. Then the men's line also have a different box, but very circus theme as well, but it's instead of like rose gold, it's black and gold and silver. So it's gorgeous. I really, really like the Dior options this year. I think it's a little better than the Chanel ones. I may still get one Chanel one and I may get more of these ones. But yeah, look how cute. So this one is the one with the 2 lippies, and it is only $84. So I think it's a great option. If you are interested, like I said, I'll link this one below, but there are so many that are under $100 as well. So they make really, really good gifts. And also you can reuse the bag. Look! I will probably get at least one more of these, even though they're all the same size and same bags, but I may give it away as a gift to somebody. And then I probably, I don't know yet, get a Chanel one and unbox it here. So if you're not currently subscribed, definitely hit the subscribe buttons, the notification bell, and stay tuned because I would love to share with you what else I get. I'm excited that the holiday season's rolling around. It's getting cooler now, so I will be featuring a lot more other unboxings, maybe some outfit things that are great for the winter time, fall winter time. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing. Let me know your thoughts on this, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.